Hello, my name is Surya and I'm currently studying artificial intelligence and data science and I'm from Chennai. Along with my college studies, I have completed an AIML program from HCL GUVI. I decided to learn the skills because I felt that studying theory was not enough. I wanted to actually understand how the things works in the real situation, not just for the exams. That's what pushed me to look for more hands-on experience. When I joined HCL GUVI, my main goal was to get my basics clear and work on the projects and build some confidence for the interviews. Overall, my experience was good and helpful. The course was well structured and the learning process felt so smooth. What helped me the most was the practical work and the projects. Instead of just learning the concept, I got to apply them, which made the big difference. The mentors were supportive whenever I had a doubt. The explanation was simple and easy to understand. By end of this program, I become more comfortable using Python, Pandas, NumPys, and scikit-learn and machine learning frameworks, deep learning frameworks as well, compared to before. Now I feel that I'm more confident talking about my projects and facing the interviews. Looking back, the experience helped me to become more consistent and confident in learning the new technical skills. The hands-on approach really changed how I look at the problem solving. Right now, I'm focusing on improving my skills step by steps and preparing for the interviews. Thank you for HCL GUVI for giving me this opportunity.